Welcome to Toro Striping, your trusted line striping contractor in California and Arizona. Today we'll take you through the meticulous process of asphalt parking lot line striping, a crucial service that ensures the safety and organization of parking lots. Asphalt parking lot line striping is more than just paint on pavement. It defines parking spaces, directs traffic flow, and enhances the overall appearance of your property. Our experienced stripers use high-quality, long-lasting paint and equipment to ensure clean, crisp lines that are both functional and aesthetically pleasing. Now, let's dive into the step-by-step process that makes our line striping services stand out. Step 1. Preparation. Begin by cleaning the parking lot thoroughly, removing dirt and debris using power blowers, pressure washers, and other tools to ensure a clean surface for optimal paint adhesion. Step 2. Measurement and marking. With the lot clean and dry, precise measurements and markings are made for parking spaces, directional arrows, handicap symbols, etc. Step 3. Application. Optional primer may be applied for better adhesion on newly paved or neglected lots. Specialized striping machines are used to apply durable white or yellow water-based traffic paint with precision, ensuring longevity and visibility. Step 4. Finishing and cleanup. Allow the paint to dry, make necessary touch-ups, and conclude with a thorough cleanup for a safe and accessible parking lot. So, why choose Toro Striping? Our experienced, licensed, and insured team guarantees ADA compliance and smooth traffic flow. We're not just stripers. We're experts in asphalt repair, seal coating, and maintenance services, offering affordability and professionalism. For a free estimate on your parking lot line striping needs, contact Toro Striping